the definition of crimes that have said to have been committed by the Catalonian leaders does not fall within the accepted worldwide definitions. So my own belief, our belief in the African Bar Association, is that this whole thing is a political trial, and that the court ought to be very careful about. They ought to understand that you do not suppress dissent by legal means. Legal judgments and fines and imprisonments are just temporary things. The issue of self-determination is a worldwide phenomenon guaranteed by the European articles and also by the United Nations declarations.